my channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And today's reaction is going to be a Blackpink reaction of their MV Whistle. Now, I know a bit of this song because when I watched the documentary, I know that this was their debut song, and I'm really stoked to listen to this song because apparently it's very different from their usual high voltage, energetic songs. I'm really excited to listen to this. I know a bit of this song, but I definitely wanted to react to the full MV. So yeah, here it is. Blackpink Whistle. I'm super stoked. Okay, let's start. Subtitles are on. I love Lisa with her bangs.
Hey boy, make 'em whistle like a missile, bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up, make 'em whistle like a missile, bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up, 난 너무 아름다워, 널 잊을 수가 없어. 그 눈빛이 아직 나를 이렇게 설레게 해. Boom boom. 24, 365 오직 너와 같이 하고파. 낮에도 이 밤에도 이렇게 너를 원해. Yeah. 모든 남자들이 날 매일 check out. 대부분이 날 가질 수 있다 착각할 때 많은 건 원치 않아 맘을 원해 난. 넌 심장을 도려내 보여봐. 아주 씩씩하게 대로 씩씩하게 so hot 내가 어쩔 줄 모르게 해. 나지막히 불러줘 내 귓가에 도는 휘파람 피던. 이대로 지나치지 마요. 너도 나처럼 날 잊을 수가 없다면. 널 향한 이 마음의 fire. 내 심장이 빠르게 뛰잖아. 점점 가까이 들리잖아. 휘바람 휘바람 바람. Can you hear that? 휘바라바라바라밤. 휘바람 휘바람 바람. Can you hear that? 휘바라바라바라밤. Hold up.
Can I tell you my initial thoughts? This song is so different from, this song is so raw. Like from all the songs of Blackpink that I've listened to now, be it Do, Love Sick Girls, then Kill This Love, How You Like That. They are the music is so high voltage, but this one has such less beats, and you can just it's very raw and soft to my ears, which is unlike Blackpink, because Blackpink songs are just so filled with energy. Even Kick It, the last reaction of Kick It that I did, it was so, such a punch that song had. And this sounds so mellow and raw and beautiful. I like it. I really like it. This is a great debut song. I didn't know, because I initially thought that Boombaya was their debut, but this is a great debut song. Such a contrast from Boombaya. My goodness. And I love that whistle sound.
아무 말 하지 마. Just whistle to my heart.
That's the beat. That's it.
지금 나를 이렇게 설레게 해. Boom boom. 생각은
And that whistle sound. Oof.
느낌이 every day, all day. 내 곁에만 있어도
Lisa looks great.
언제나 난 styling. 도도하지만 네 앞에선 darling. 뜨거워지잖아 like a desert island. 널 알아갈수록 울려대는 마음속 그만 내빼 넘어와라 내게 boy. 이젠 checkmate 게임은 내가 win. 널 택해 안아줘도 세게 눈 가로채 하기 전에 내가 이대로 지나치지 마.
I love this transition, and it, the transition is so direct. There is no, there's no gradual flow to it. It just happens like that. I like it. I want to listen to this transition again.
안아줘도 세게 눈 가로채 하기 전에 내가 이대로 지나치지 마요.
Yes.
너도 나처럼 날 잊을 수가 없다면 널 향한 네 마음은 fire. 내 심장이 빠르게 뛰잖아. 점점 가까이 들리잖아.
And then slows down. Yes.
휘바람 바람 바람. Can you hear that? 휘바라바라바라밤. 휘바람.
I'm loving this whistle sound. I'm loving this whistle sound.
휘바람 바람 바람. Can you hear that? 휘바라바라바라밤.
Oh! Why is she on a horse? Wait! So, do the visuals mean something? Or is just for aesthetics? Let me know, Blinks.
바람 바람 바람. Can you hear that? 휘바라바라바라밤.
I'm loving her on the horse.
This beat got me feeling like 바람처럼 스쳐가는 그날.
So Jenny rapped and she sang also. I like that.
아닌 영이 아니길 많은 말은 필요
Oh.
없어. 지금 너의 곁에 나를 데려가줘.
Ooh, look at the costume.
Missile like a missile, bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up, Make 'em whistle like a missile, bomb, bomb. Every time I show up, blow up,
Oh yes, this was such a great debut song. Wait, I'll close this first. If you ask me which was a better debut song, Boombaya or Whistle, I would choose Whistle, like hands down. These are the kind of songs that I actually like, which has probably not many beats. I like the songs which has high voltage energy, but between the two, I prefer such songs with like a little, like sort of single beat and a nice melody to it, and then you can just concentrate on the vocals more than the beats. So I really like that. All of their vocals and their rapping just stood out. I have, you know what, at this point you guys know how much I love Blackpink and how much I love their vocals. It's unbelievable. These girls are so talented, and I had, after watching the documentary, I feel like I felt really nice. It gave me a much more insight on the girls, and I'm really excited to see what kind of the idea that I got that Rose is going to have a single soon. So I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to that, because you know how much I love her vocals. Her vocals are so angelic, to say the least. So I loved it. This was amazing, and I will be doing the album review as well, like I did for the Modes 7. The album review of Blackpink also coming soon. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to Whistle. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.